guys, Amelia here with Mama Bear Reviews, and today we are back with another review, and this one is a hair product review. We are going to demo, review, kind of go through the Shark Flexstyle. A lot of people have been saying this is like a Dyson dupe. It is much cheaper, $299 versus the Dyson I think is like $600 or $700. Yes, so we're gonna go through it. I have already unboxed it and reviewed it and tested it, so now I'm here to share my thoughts. I will insert some clips along this video of using the different tools and kind of going through all the different tools it comes with and give my honest review. So if that's something you want to watch, let's get into it. I got this Shark Flexstyle as a gift from my mom, so she did buy it for me as a gift because I had been going back and forth. I wanted the Dyson, but I couldn't justify the price tag. I know a ton of people have it, a few of my friends have it, and it was just, I couldn't justify spending like almost $700 for the whole kit, the one that now comes with the drying and then the curling and the brush and all the accessories plus a carrying case. I just couldn't justify a $700 purchase, right? I read a few blog posts on the difference between the Dyson Airwrap and the Shark Flexstyle, and honestly my opinion was I didn't really see a whole big difference on the blog post. So I have not tried the Dyson, but I'm just gonna kind of give my thoughts about this. We're gonna review this and see how it goes. So, like I said, I have used it. I actually styled my hair this morning with it, with the straightening brush. So before I get into all the brushes it comes with, let's go through. This is the Flexstyle. It has a very long cord. Like my cord's all the way over here. It's like a 8-foot cord. Like this cord is huge, which is nice if you know, depending on where your mirrors are. I liked that I had a long cord because when I do my hair in my bathroom, sometimes it gets very hot. And so I like stepping out in the hallway to kind of like feel the air conditioning and all that. So I actually like that it has a very long cord. So yes, it is very sturdy. It is not overly heavy. It doesn't kill my arm doing it, which I like. But probably the number one feature that is different on this compared to the Dyson is this feature right here. That's probably hands down the best feature about this. I can do this as an actual blow dryer, so you can just dry your hair like a normal dryer, or it comes with this attachment, which is like a blow drying attachment. You can rotate it, which is cool. You can twist it, and then to undo it you just hit this little lock and come off, so it's not going to come off when you're in the middle of blow drying. This is cool because if you're used to a normal blow dryer, this is kind of nice and you don't have to like have this long thing. You can blow dry it straight like this if you wanted to, but why? Anyway, so it comes with, like I said, the barrel. It does have 3 different fan options, low, medium, high, and then 3 different heat options. So that is really cool if you're looking for a low heat, no heat, or just the air. It is cool. Plus it has this cool shock button that you can like set your style with. So what it comes with, let's get into the attachments. So it comes with this, and then the blow drying attachment, which you saw. And then it also comes with a round brush. So this is like 360 round brush. I have used this one. This is really cool for getting those nice big blowouts. Love this brush. And then this morning I actually just tried this one. It is a flat, kind of one-sided, like sleek brush. So you just kind of like, really cool. Love this attachment for more of a sleek, straight kind of blowout look. And then it does come with the left and right side air wrap curling attachments, depending on which side of your head you're using and which direction you want the curls to go, depends on which one you use. So I will say one con of this is it really is kind of a bummer that like you have to switch them out. I didn't think it was that big of a deal because I basically just put one on, did one side of my head, take it off, put the other one on, do the other side of my head. If you're in a hurry, this could be a time kind of like annoying feature for to do your hair that you have to have two, but I didn't mind it. Normally it takes me forever to curl my hair anyway, so I kind of block out enough time to do a 2-second swap. Anyways, but some people might find that annoying, so I want to share all the things. So it comes with those, like I said, these 5 attachments. It doesn't come with a case, which the Dyson does, so I guess that's a bummer. The low setting is very quiet, the high setting is louder. It's just as loud as like a normal hairdryer. I will insert clips of me using the curling one. It does take some getting used to, but honestly, it didn't take me that long. Once I figured out the direction and stuff, really wasn't too complicated. Like I said, snaps on. You can use them either way. Like if you wanted more of a tight curl, or you don't want to extend your arm, you could use it this way to get the underside, which is nice. I like that there's an option to do it either way. Yeah, so basically that's how I style my hair. I do go in with a heat protectant first. I love this heat protectant. And then I do a volume and lift spray for my roots just to get that extra volume when I wear my hair curly. And then I always set it with a dry texture spray. So love those 3 to do my hair. And then I just go in with this. Overall, I love this. I think it does a great job for your money. $2.99, does what it's supposed to do. It holds the style. I've seen pictures where the Dyson, the style lasts longer, but honestly, it's going to depend on your hair type, how long you set it for, the products you use before and after. That's all gonna come into play when you're talking about the length of style. I did notice I curled it and it lasted like a good 2 days. And I am a rough sleeper, but I use great products. And so it lasted a good 2.5 days before I had to kind of go in and touch up a few spots. So overall, I really like this. I think it's a great value for $2.99 as opposed to spending $700-800 on a Dyson. So I will link this down below. It does come with a style guide to kind of show you how to use the products, and what each brush can do. Yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have a Dyson or if you have the Shark and which one you kind of like better. And subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.